ever feel like you can't escape? Trump's mug is everywhere, weird form of eyeball rape. Turn on any screen, there he is again. Fills all our media, it's like an obsession. I even sort of feel ashamed for joining in, but can't shut up now that this president is a real thing. But you know that there is still a chance for us, we just have to focus. And we've gotta remember what it means to be kind and decent, altruistic human beings. 'Cause Trumpy is a total jerk, only values his own worth, making us scream no, no, no. So we're cursing at the sky. Trumpy is a total jerk. His tweeting making our heads burst, making us scream no, no, no. Next 4 years are gonna go so slow. People different from you are not a waste of space. You can't devalue folks by religion or race. Can't fix economies with a fucking wall, especially when you can't pay for it at all. It's alarming that such a xenophobe could be elected as a major player on the globe. You're not a diplomat, you're a crybaby and a huge bully. So we've gotta ignite the fight and let it rise. Work for our rights, not stand idly by. 'Cause Trumpy is a total jerk. Don't get caught up 'cause he's the worst. Not enough to scream in November. Are you around? Gotta work hard, hard, hard. 'Cause Trump being a total jerk distracts from things of real worth, like racist brainwashing of our youth, masquerading as religious values. Bing, 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 be aware of everything, thing. One hand might be scaring you. Don't fixate, gotta watch the other one too. 'Cause Trumpy is a total jerk, can't let him determine